Hi everyone. Today we will see how to create custom list views. Before that, we will see what are the advantages of list views. List views are a great way to sort, prioritize, and analyze the records that are most important to you. So, for example, if we go to opportunities and if we go to my opportunities, we will find all the opportunities related to you with all stages and all years and everything. If we want to have a separate list view for ourselves, we can create by cloning the existing list view. And if we want to look for all the closed won opportunities, we can create something like this. And if we want to share it with others, we can share, or I just want to keep it for myself, only I can see this list view. We can just click on this and we can add a filter for stage equals closed one. So it will just show my opportunities with closed one stage. And whenever we go to opportunities, it will be default showing us the recently viewed opportunities. And if we want to see the opportunities which are closed one, whenever we go to opportunities, just click on the pin, so that whenever you click on this opportunities, automatically you will see all the closed one opportunities here. And in case if you want to see it as a new tab, you can add it over here and we can just click on that tab and say add my opportunities to navigation bar. Then you can see this as a separate tab. We can also look for the chart here for these opportunities, and we can go for pipeline by account so that it shows you for which account how much is the amount for that particular opportunity. And we can also check for the Kanban view of these opportunities. Currently everything is in closed one as we have selected that. And if we want to see what all fields we want to display over here in this list view, we can just select this select fields to display. So currently if I want to remove this field, I will just move it over here. And if I want to add one more field like type, I will just add it over here and save it so that I can see the type over here.